welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Carol Tichie. Karibu. In today's video, I'm calling this hair COVID convenience hair, because nowadays it's like we live in matutas, flat twists, like when trying to do the most with our hair. When you want to go to the supermarket, you're like, yeah. So who's taking down these matutas? So what I decided to do is make this wig hat. If you know me, I wear hats when I'm running errands all the time. So I'm like, why not make a wig hat? It looks cute. It looks like girl put in some effort when I put minimum effort. Yes, so you guys, if you'd like to see how I created this, how I made this, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so these are the things that you'll need. You'll need a baseball cap. Mine doesn't have that thing at the back. Then you'll need a mannequin head. Excuse the child in me that just popped out because I don't know what I was doing, turning it upside down. The next you'll need hair. I'll be using Natural Remy by Sister number 2. Then finally a glue gun and glue sticks. I proceed to turning the cap inside out because definitely we are going to glue the hair inside. And when we are on the inside, after attaching it on the mannequin head, we will go around the perimeter, actually at the rim. I call it the rim of the hat, and not the actual hat itself. Next, I prepare the hair, and for those of you who are not familiar with Natural Remy, it does look like blown out natural hair, and you can see it still has some texture in it, and that's why I love this hair. The hair does come in 2 bundles, and I can tell you this guys, 1 bundle is enough. This hair is nice and full, and I guess it's because it has that texture. If it was more straight, it would be more fine looking, but with the texture it just looks just right in terms of like volume. So 1 bundle is enough. So with 1 pack you can make 2 wig hats. Also, as I'm separating the hair, you can see that it does not tangle, but guys, I'll give you an update like in between once I wear it a couple of times to see if it does tangle. The glue stick is on and the glue gun is hot, so that means we are ready to glue this hair on this hat. And I must admit guys, my first round was not easy because I was working with 4 wefts. That was a huge mistake. I should have done 2, but I was trying to save on time and my energy, and that was a mistake because you'd see that it is hard to attach the wefts on the hat. So I'd suggest you just work with 2 wefts at a time. At some point you'd see that I'd separate them into 2, attach 2, and then attach the next 2 on top. So if you're okay with working like that, then that's cool. But for me, I found it very difficult. So you'll see the 2nd row and the 3rd row. Did I do a 3rd row? Yes, the 2nd row and the 3rd row. The hair, I did 2 wefts, and the gluing was much easier. I must warn you guys that you'll get glue all over your fingers, your nails, and some glue strings. If you've worked with this glue stick before, you know it creates these strings that are very annoying. And make sure you're placing your glue gun away from your attachment hair. Lascivio, you'll have glue all over your hair. Mine got glue, but I cut it off and it wasn't that much, so it didn't affect the look of the hair. So once I got to the end, I decided to cut off. I usually don't like cutting off. I like folding because, you know, once you cut, you have initiated the shedding, and I don't like dealing with shed hair. So I like folding. So for the next rounds, I'll just fold at the ends. It's easier to fold when you're not working with like 4 wefts. If you're working with 2 wefts, it's so easy to fold. So that's another advantage of working with 2 wefts instead of 4. Okay guys, so this is what round 1 looks like, and look at that mess. I did tell you guys that I was struggling with round 1, but look at that last crisp, clean weft. I mean, working with 2 wefts is a plus. So when you take out your hat from your mannequin head, this is what you should expect. I feel like it's a really clean deal, especially if you're working with the glue gun. If you have to sew this, I don't know how it will turn out. Okay guys, so this is how my hair has been for the past couple of days in my bonnet when I'm in the house. And you see, those are my 2 cornrows going down. I decided to do cornrows instead of flat twists because cornrows lay flat, and since I'm wearing this wig hat, I don't want things bulging here and there. So now I'm wearing the hat. I like to hold the 2 ends right before where the cap, the shield, is it the shield starts? And then you just position it very well. Make sure it's comfortable on your head. I decided to accessorize with some earrings. You guys have seen these earrings a couple of times because it's my favorite. And in the middle of wearing the earrings, I thought, why not show them how long this hair is? So I did have some mistakes here and there. I had some glue stuck on my cap, but that's because I kept keeping the gun close to my cap. So make sure you keep the gun away. And here I was trying to look at my different style options. So yes, you can definitely have some variety with the hair. This is the final look when I actually wear the hat and style it a little bit with some earrings and some brows, because that's all you're wearing with a mask. Yes, always wear your mask, guys. So yeah, this is how it looks. I'm like, why didn't I do this before? Because videos of wig hats have been floating on YouTube for years. Okay, the last one like a year ago. That's the last I saw. That's the last video I saw was a year ago. Oh, let's just say it's been around for like a year and a half now, and I'm just catching on right now. But guys, it makes sense right now. It's more convenient to do this. So yeah, this is my errands hat when I'm looking like still looking cute while running her errands. And yeah, guys, do let me know if you like it, if you would do it, you'd make your own wig hat, because girl, yes. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. we made it to 2,000 subscribers over here, which I am so excited. I'm so grateful for you guys for supporting your girl. It doesn't go unnoticed. Every comment counts, okay? Thank you guys. Thank you for your support. I feel the support. I feel the love. All right, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.